Hello everyone, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to your partner. And also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Santri Al TV and ALMANAR Daily. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ALMANAR Daily and our most likely contents ALMANAR podcast. So, my name is Dira Qanita. Today I've got a big chance to be a host in our podcast edition. Well, as we know that we're still in pandemic for coronavirus, and I hope you guys still in healthy, and I hope you guys are feeling well today. And don't forget to put your mask on, and don't forget to wash your hand. And may God always protect us everywhere, anytime and anywhere. So today, actually, I'm feeling so happy. I'm very excited for this chance, for this podcast. Do you know why? It's because our friends come here to having a chit chat with us. And she is a great founder in English, actually. She is an English ambassador for this year in ALMANAR Islamic Boarding School. So without any further ado, just get to the source. Hi, Qanita.
Hi,
How's your feeling today? How are you keeping up?
I'm so excited this night. I'm happy to attend this podcast and a little bit nervous because it's my first podcast.
It's fine. Don't be nervous. If you're feeling nervous, then I will be nervous too. Qanita, could you please introduce yourself to the viewers? Maybe they want to know who you are in this podcast.
Hi, I'm Qanita Ramadhani, first grade student of ALMANAR Islamic Boarding School.
So, what do you feel today that you can attend this podcast tonight?
I'm very excited and happy because I can attend this podcast and a little bit nervous because it's my first podcast.
Actually, I'm nervous too. So, Qanita, I've heard that I've heard from many people that you can speak English well. So, since when have you learned English before?
Since I'm 2 years old, my mom already introduced me some English vocab, so I start to speak with that English vocabulary step by step.
So, you learning English when you're still a baby.
Yes.
Oh, it's. Do you feel any difficulties in learning English? Because it's too small for your age in learning English.
Alhamdulillah, no, because I learned English from I still a child, so I accustomed with English.
So you speaking English anytime and every time in your daily life
Yes.
with your family too.
Yes, with my mom.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings.
Oh, four. So they are speaking in English too, or
No,
so they didn't learning English.
only the girls.
So, oh, you have a brother.
Yes, 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Why does the brother done learning English?
They don't want. They don't want it to learn English.
So, are you accepted? You enjoy the English learning
Yes.
from your mother.
Yes.
All right. Did you find some difficulties in learning English? Maybe you can't speak it, but you're accustomed to speak it.
Yes, I'm accustomed with English.
So there are no difficulties in learning English.
Alhamdulillah, no.
Okay. So why do you choose ALMANAR to continue your study? There are many schools out there, like international school. That basically based on bilingual concept that you can study in it. But why you choose ALMANAR?
Because I wanted to study Arabic and religion because I ever joined X Talent excellent. That's why I
Excellent.
know Almanar, and I see the student speak by language, and they're so good.
So you're interested with Almanar?
Yes.
Actually, fun fact, we have a similar fate. I have joined the Excellent too before. What competition that you followed before?
Mm, cerdas cermat, I think.
Oh, so you're a smart girl.
Not so smart then.
Okay, since you know that in Almanar we speak two languages, that is Arabic and English. Which one do you prefer, Arabic or English?
I prefer English to Arabic because English is easier for me. Start from the spellings, how to talk, even the spellings and how to read it is different, but I prefer to English because I accustomed with English.
Then, could you share us some tips and tricks in learning English? Maybe you can share us your method in English learning.
Mm, I in learning English, if I don't know how to read that words, I'll listen from Google Translate or some movies like that. And if you know some English vocab, use it. Because if we know some vocab but we don't use it, we'll not accustomed with it.
It's just like nothing. It seems like nothing. Well, are you happy with the Almanar method in learning English? Like maybe could you tell us how we study the languages in Almanar?
Yes, I'm happy. We study language in Almanar is like every morning after subuh prayer, we got some vocab and we memorize it and we use it in daily life. And we also speak with our friends with language, so we're accustomed with it.
How about that you don't speak with the language that exists in Almanar?
Maybe my English language will be less.
Do you got any punishment from the sisters maybe? Have you got it before?
Yes, of course. I often got it.
Then what is your goal after graduating from Almanar? Do you have any plan?
I wanted to go to a school, a bilingual school, I think, to improve my English.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a businesswoman.
Businesswoman. Then, but actually, you are good in English. Don't you want to be like traveler? Mungkin kan yang kita tahu Qanita bisa bahasa Inggris well, speaking English well. So kenapa nggak mau misalnya kayak jadi traveler gitu, keluar negeri? Karena kan dengan kita nih udah ada basic English. Jadi kalau misalnya keluar kan jadi lebih gampang gitu. Saya udah ada basic English, jadi kemana-mana juga enak juga.
With business, we can also travel. We can go somewhere with business. Apalagi if we have some business with a strange people.
Yeah, foreign. Then, who is your role model? Do you know Jack Ma? Maybe.
Yes.
You want to be like Jack Ma?
Yeah, he's a great man.
Yes, he is a great man. Well, what is your hobby? Do you have any hobby?
I don't have any hobbies because in my spare time I do different things.
Do you like to play something to fill your empty times? What are you doing when you have some empty times? What have you used to do before in Almanar, especially in Almanar?
I like to sing some English song to improve my English also, and reading some stories.
Then, do you like to live in Almanar?
Yes.
You like to live in Almanar. Why?
Because there are many friends here. We have many friends, and everything we do together, like it's different that we're at home. At home, we should eat by self, and here we do everything together.
Yes, it is about togetherness. And in Almanar, we study English, but what kind of accent that we study here? That you study here? Is it American or maybe British?
We
Accent.
study American because I think American is basic. Before we study British, uh, we also must get to speak by American accent.
Then, what do you think about British?
Um, British is good. I like British, but it's hard for me to speak with British. I don't know why.
Do you have you watched some British movie? I mean, like UK movie before?
Yes, of course.
What kind of movie?
There's so many movie and I don't remember what movie, but there are so many because my mom also like to watch about movie.
So your role model is your mother.
Yes.
You want to be like your mother.
Yes.
Okay. The last one. Do you want to say something to our friends out there to improve their language? Maybe you could give them some motivation that can up their spirit to learning English.
Where if you know some vocab, even you use it because the key to learn English is practice.
Just keep practice. Well, that's all the chit chat that we have before. Actually, me and Kanita have made friends before. So we have known each other before, right?
Yes.
Then, yeah, I hope that what have Kanita tell us before can bring you to the good way, to the more better way. And yeah, thanks for watching our podcast. See you later. Goodbye.